With biking becoming increasingly popular as a commuting choice, you might be wondering whether to stick with the classic pedal-powered bike or invest in an electric bike with the latest technology. Dutch culture has long embraced cycling as a healthy and enjoyable practice, and with more European cities investing in cycling infrastructure, swapping 4 wheels for 2 is more appealing than ever. But if you're ready to make a biking decision, this guide will help clarify whether a traditional bike or a modern e-bike suits your needs better. When we refer to a regular bike, we're talking about the traditional pedal-powered bicycle that has been a staple for generations. It's straightforward and reliable, and for many, it's still the go-to choice for daily commuting. On the other hand, an electric bike, or e-bike, is equipped with an electric motor and a battery to assist with propulsion. You'll still pedal, but the motor provides a helpful boost, particularly useful when facing steep inclines or strong headwinds. Electric bikes come with their own set of requirements, such as regular battery recharges. Depending on the manufacturer and model, e-bike batteries, like those from Valoretti, can typically last between 60 to 120 kilometers per charge. Over the past decade, the technology behind e-bikes has advanced significantly, making them sleeker and more efficient, especially in places like the Netherlands where they have gained popularity. Both regular bikes and e-bikes need regular maintenance to keep them in top shape. However, e-bikes have more complex systems due to their electric components. This often means that e-bikes will need professional servicing more frequently. On the other hand, traditional bikes are simpler mechanically, and with some basic knowledge, you can handle most maintenance tasks yourself. Traditional bikes offer a more rigorous workout when it comes to physical effort. Every pedal stroke is powered solely by your energy, which can improve cardiovascular health and build strength. However, e-bikes require less physical effort thanks to their motor assistance. This feature is particularly beneficial when you're tackling challenging routes or long distances. You can even adjust the motor support level to get some exercise while still enjoying an easier ride. Consider how your typical bike ride looks. While a traditional bike might be slower and more physically demanding, it offers a peaceful and leisurely experience. In contrast, an e-bike can help you cover distances more quickly and comfortably, making it ideal for daily commutes or longer weekend rides. If your goal is to reduce car use but not necessarily to engage in intense physical activity, an electric bike might be a better fit. But if you live close to your destination and enjoy the fitness benefits of cycling, a traditional bike could be the way to go. Electric bikes generally come with a higher upfront cost compared to traditional bikes, largely due to the technology involved, including the motor and battery. However, if you're replacing short car journeys with an e-bike, the investment might pay off relatively quickly. Some employers offer leasing schemes for e-bikes, which can provide tax incentives and reduce initial costs. It's worth checking if such options are available to you. Safety considerations can vary between the two types of bikes. Regular bikes typically fall at lower speeds since the force is primarily generated by the rider. E-bikes can reach higher speeds more easily, which means it's important to be cautious about distractions, like phone use, and to avoid risky behaviors, such as riding under the influence or on slippery surfaces. This can be particularly relevant if you're buying a bike for a teenager or someone with less experience. The rider experience is one of the most noticeable differences between regular bikes and e-bikes. Regular bicycles offer a pure cycling experience, demanding more effort from the rider and providing excellent cardiovascular benefits. E-bikes, however, offer additional power from the motor, making them easier to ride on tough terrain and longer commutes. This can be especially helpful for those with physical limitations or those who prefer a more relaxed ride. Choosing between an e-bike and a traditional bike depends on your specific needs and preferences. Recent innovations in e-bike technology have made them a compelling option for many. Whether you're drawn to the simplicity and fitness benefits of a classic bike or the convenience and efficiency of an electric bike, both choices have their advantages. Ultimately, both types of bikes have their merits, and the best choice for you will align with your commuting needs, fitness goals, and budget. If you're looking to enhance your daily commute or enjoy more comfortable rides, an e-bike could be a great addition. On the other hand, if you cherish the traditional cycling experience and the associated health benefits, sticking with a regular bike might be ideal. Either way, biking is a great choice for a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle.